Remember how easy it was to make friends as kids? You'd share a snack, join the same team, or bond over a silly joke, and just like that, you had a new best friend. But as adults, the same process feels like climbing a mountain. Why is something so natural in childhood so complicated now? Let's break it down and figure out what's changed. Life gets in the way. As kids, friendships were built into our daily routines, school, sports, or neighborhood hangouts. We spent hours together without even trying. Now, between long work days, raising kids, or managing a household, time feels scarce. According to a study by Jeffrey Hall, it takes around 200 hours to develop a close friendship. But when was the last time you had that kind of time to spare? And it's not just about time though. Our mental energy is often drained. After a long day, making plans or attending social events can feel like an extra chore, not a joy. But what about coworkers? We spend a huge amount of time with them. But why doesn't that pan out like how it did when we were younger? What's different? This brings us to the next point. Different phases of life. In adulthood, life moves at different speeds. Some are married, some juggle diapers and daycare, others climb career ladders, and some chase dreams abroad. These differing priorities and schedules create a natural drift, no matter how much you care about each other. The common ground becomes hard to find when everyone's life looks so different. Meeting new people who are in a similar phase of life also becomes trickier. Finding these points relatable? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Remote work ends casual bonds. As if making friends wasn't already harder as adults, remote work adds another layer to the challenge. Don't get us wrong, remote work is fantastic for those of us who value flexibility, but workplaces once offered a solution. Shared coffee breaks and casual chats that helped build connections. But with remote work, these organic moments have vanished. Coworkers are now just faces on a screen, making friendships harder to build. Even in traditional offices, life stages vary widely. Unlike childhood, when shared experiences bonded us, adult friendships require intentional effort to overcome life's diversities. Picky about people. Childhood friendships were built on proximity and spontaneity. Vulnerability came naturally. You'd complain about school or celebrate small wins without overthinking. As you mature, you begin to see more of humanity's complexities, and most of us are less naive. Not everyone has good motives, so we have to be more discerning about people's intentions. This hesitation makes you hold back, keeping relationships surface level instead of nurturing the deeper connections you crave. Social media creates false connection. Ever heard the term lonely in a connected world? It's easy to scroll through photos of your old friends and feel like you're staying connected, but liking someone's post isn't the same as hearing about their bad day or sharing a laugh in person. Social media often gives us the illusion of connection while leaving us lonelier in reality. Making friends as an adult can be hard, but not impossible. The process requires patience, intentionality, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. This week, challenge yourself to take one small step toward friendship. Join a group, strike up a conversation, or reconnect with an old friend. Remember, friendships are not built overnight, but every effort you make is a step toward creating the meaningful connections you crave. You're not alone in this journey, and the rewards are worth it.